provide a decentralized AI-based solution for the shop floor of manufacturing industries. The project was acronymed SMARTARM, and it's as it says, right, it's a smart maintenance application for robotic arms on the manufacturing line. And the solution, the challenge that our partners were particularly facing is they have these hundreds of these robotic arms that are deployed in Bosch factories around the globe, and any downtimes in these machines actually cost a lot of money for Bosch, and they were looking for a solution that can predict any impending breakdowns and also ensure that the process data never goes out of Bosch, because it's Bosch's IP and Bosch doesn't like their machine data going out of their environment. And with decentralized AI, that's exactly the solution we provide. So there are two main innovative aspects here. One is the decentralized AI part of it, where we don't really need to take the data out, but the AI comes to the data instead of data going to the AI. And the second innovative aspect is bringing the collaborations of plants across. This, as far as we understand, this is the first kind of cross-plant collaborative product. And in terms of what I have for Mind4Machines, in terms of the grants, this was one of the very nice grants that we had the privilege to work with. And the mentor was also really helpful in terms of redefining the KPIs and making sure that we are set up for success.
I am coming from Robert Bosch, which is, let's say, the biggest automotive industry partner for automotive car builders. The biggest digitalization challenges are quite clear. It's every time always about connectivity, so about data acquisition. It's about how to transfer the data, so transferring, let's say, useful data, and data consumption, how to consume, how to use the data properly. And then we found that when we already have the data, when we are able to use the data, we need to use it properly. And then there was exactly what we started with Uspati, how to consume the data properly, so how to use the data in the meaningful way. It's, let's say, worldwide project, and we are let's say setting the Uspati solution to our pilot plants. With this project, we focused mainly on the reduction of reaction time, how to get prepared if the problem might occur. So it's about prediction, so we can get prepared in advance, and we can prepare capacities, so it means people and experts. We can also prepare spare parts. So this project aims to decreasing of reaction time.